Hello guys, welcome to a new video on the channel Careful. The other day I was working over there with the chainsaw and she started to get hot and the oil didn't come out, so the chain was working without the oil. And I nearly completely disassembled the chainsaw, but the problem wasn't solved. When I cleaned all the channels, it wasn't solved. So I looked on the internet and they gave me some ideas, and I will show you in the video what I did. Now it is raining. I can't work now, but I did it inside, and I will show you the things that I found and how you can solve this problem. Stay tuned. So I started disassembling the parts of the chainsaw, the blade with the chain, other parts, gave it a good clean, and also the channels. But as you will see further in the videos, this didn't solve the problem. I also took out the oil container so I could clean all of the holes where the oil should go through. Here is the spot where the oil should come out. So when you put the machine in action without the chain, you should see here oil coming out. So let's try that. And as you see, there does oil come out, so that works. This is one thing that works. The other thing I will show you. So as you can see, there is a hole here that can move from here to here when you put tension on the chain, and that allowed the oil to come to the chain. So it goes from here to the chain inside this blade here. So this has to be very clean, and you can blow it out with some compressed air and then do the test with WD-40 or something like that you spray in it, and it should come out here. We will do that. So I'm going to do the test with some silicone spray, blow it into this hole, and it should come out here. So that works. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same. So you can support my channel, consider subscribing, that would help a lot. Find me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.